the Ageless Dancers of Canada. Okay, so to introduce you the members. Okay, so we're good. Okay, so I would like to introduce you the members of our group. So starting with Miss Arceli Salazar, our marketing manager. And we have Miss Evelyn Calimo here, one of our dance instructors. She's teaching Latin in our dance studio. And of course, Myra Aguinaldo there. Raise your hand, please. One of our assistant dance instructor, and of course, our makeup artist. And of course, Miss Salve here, which is a Zen, which is a certified Zumba instructor and retro fitness instructor. Salve Reyes, which is the lost sister of Miss Mina over there. Okay, and of course, Miss G. Vela, our financial officer. And of course, Christy over there, our outfit coordinator. So as you can see, she is the one in charge in picking up outfits every occasion. So I hope you like our outfit for tonight. And of course, last but not the least, yours truly, Miss M. I'm also one of the dance instructors of the Ageless Dance Company, and I'm teaching line dancing. And of course, if you want to visit our dance studio, we are located at 3899 Bathurst Street in North York. So that is just along Bathurst and Wilson. And our studios are open every Wednesdays for Zumba, 8 to 10 p.m. Thursdays, Latin night with Salve, of course, for our Zumba. Thursday nights with Miss Evelyn Calimo, that is Latin night, 8 to 10 p.m. Fridays with yours truly, Miss M, 8 to 10 for line dancing. And every Saturdays, that is 3-in-1. So what do you mean by 3-in-1? That's Zumba, line dancing, and Latin all in one. It is a 3-hour session. So for contact info, ang ganda ng aming marketing manager, di ba? Siya mo si Arceli.
Yeah, please call po 647-500-8323.
Ayan. So if you want a business card, though, we can give you later.
Sure.
Okay, are you ready, the Ageless?
Yeah.
Okay, so I hope you would like this dance number.
Okay, guys, ready?
Ready?
Positions, everybody. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and 8.